Black Friday is one of the most overwhelming times to shop. There's deals everywhere, and it's hard to know what's actually worth it. So today, I've put together my favorite deals here from Lowe's. We've got everything from DeWalt power tools to Carhartt sweatshirts and everything that you guys actually like. So let's go and check out my favorite deals from Lowe's this year. They do have some insane deals on DeWalt here, which I'm super excited to check out. So we're gonna go see those first. This is probably one of the biggest ones. They have buy this battery pack, you get a free tool. You spend 300 on this second battery pack, 2 free tools. And then finally, 449 for the 2 largest batteries for the 8 amp hours. And you get 3 free tools, which is an absolutely insane deal. These are all the tools that you have to get for these free tools, which is pretty much all of the major tools in the lineup. Or if you already have like the basic setups and there's a couple things that you want to pick up, it makes it really easy to get a couple batteries, which are always nice to have. And then on top of that, you can also pick up the extra tools if you need the oscillating tool, if you need a circular saw, whatever it is, or if you're just getting started, you can get the impact and all of your basic necessities as well. Also, a huge shout out to Lowe's for sponsoring today's video. They have brought you all these deals here today. Make sure you guys check them out. They'll be tagged in the YouTube shopping or in the description. And another big one, you have $100 off this oscillating toolkit with a battery. So you can get it for $119, which is absolutely insane. I love my oscillating tool. I use it every chance I get to, which is probably sometimes too much, but it's an absolutely great tool. And for $119 to have their 20-volt line of oscillating tool, it's a steal. And last DeWalt deal, there's this 2-tool combo kit for $169, typically $229. Sadly, they've got our boy locked up here. They got him behind bars, but it's a cool setup, especially if you're just getting started. It's not the XR line of DeWalt tools, but you do get 2 batteries, and the impact and drill are going to work extremely well still. They're DeWalt, so we'll see what Klein's got going on. I want to see these mod boxes. Got to be the most exciting section in Lowe's, outside of the tool section, but when it comes to the deals, they always have this plethora, this sea of deals here. So I see a ton of Klein, I see some Craftsman, some Cobalt, a bunch of other stuff, and we've got the mod box stuff behind it. So let's see what they got going on. This is my alley. This is exactly where I live at, but they have a ton of the Klein Connect kits, which are super cool. They have the 3/8 kit on sale for $60, which is $10 off, which is cool. I think this is the starter kit, which this is the Connect S. It's their 1/4-inch version. This actually fits in strut, which is cool. All pass through. It comes with a set of the flip sockets. It's also got the handle in it. So I do love this kit. I have this kit. I think I have all the kits, actually. They're awesome. More Klein. They've got a whole aisle of it, but they have the utility knife, the set one, which has got an all metal construction. Blade storage. It feels really good in the hand. I mean, everything from little testers. They've got their full test kit, which this is $40. And I'm going to be honest, I didn't know that. That's crazy to get a meter, volt stick, and a plug tester, which is just insane. Personally, I rock Fluke all the time, but if you're just getting started and you want an affordable kit, $40. $40 is wild. Micro precision driver, the 27-in-1, which is crazy. There's no other precision bits that you should need unless you're doing something real special. But I keep one. I keep the 8-in-1, I believe, one of the smaller precision drivers. But Klein makes some awesome multi-drivers. You guys know Klein's multi-drivers. They have everything from laser levels, red and green. We were just talking about these. They're color-coded 6-inch magnetic nut setters. What's the difference between a nut setter and a nut driver? I have no idea. But if they go in your impact, it's a nut setter, apparently. But they're even on sale. Typically 33, they're 28 right now, which is cool. Like, their 3 kit right here, on sale for $29.98, typically $40, which is $10 off to get the full range of adjustable wrenches. We love it. Mod boxes. They've all got some sort of discount going on right now, which is crazy. I don't know, the mod box system is sweet. They have all the drawers, they have everything. They're locked. They're very locked. But you can get the triple crate for 170 right now instead of 190. So I think there's somewhat of a discount on all of these boxes, including the rolling ones. They've got those on sale, typically 220. They're 199 right now. I love the Modbox system. Probably one of my favorite modular tool systems, especially because of all their latches, all the options that they give you. There's no end to this one, and they're really well made. I don't know if you guys have ever had them in your hands and felt them, but they feel phenomenal. They feel good. And they have 25% off the logo on the sleeve Carhartt hoodies. So I don't know about you guys, but I wear these hoodies like all year round, whether that's going to the site or whether that's in the gym. They just are super oversized, they're comfortable, and they're really, really easy to rock. So 25% off of these right now. Just a great time to pick one up. Whether you have 5 or whether you have none, I love these hoodies from Carhartt. Then we have the 14-foot Little Giant. You can actually pick this up for a steal of $94 right now, which is absolutely insane. And you can get into just about anywhere with these being adjustable. Not only that, the price on this right now is absurd. You can do whatever with it. And this Craftsman pancake air compressor, I've been stealing my dad's, like this exact air compressor, for about 10 years now. And now that I don't live by him, I need to actually get my own. And so this one's actually it's gonna end up coming home with us. But $70 off, $99, 150 PSI electric. This thing's fantastic, and it's incredibly portable as well. We get to go head over to my favorite section now, which is the tools. This is like my favorite part of the whole thing. So let's go have some fun. Hole saws are ridiculously expensive. Lennox makes some of the best hole saws. This kit is on sale for $60. Typically it's $90. So this is a huge discount. It's a really good kit as well. And the Lennox hole saws, like I said, they're top quality. I've been using them for a long time. So Lennox makes a fantastic kit. I'm gonna be 28 in like a month. 28 in less than a month, guys. Maybe people will stop saying I don't have enough experience to talk about anything now. So also meet Woody. You guys can't see him, but Woody's our camera guy. He's a beast. He's pretty good. This Cobalt Mechanics set is on sale for $99. The full mechanic sets are incredible because I don't know what the exact value on this before. It was $190 or $149, but it says $782. So it's $782, which can differ. So they've got 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. So it's not going to be a complete kit of anything with this. But this is the 302 piece set. So you're going to have some standard and you're going to have some deep well sockets, as well as all of the accessories to go in between. And it comes in this nice compact case. So you can take it just about anywhere. But Cobalt, they make some good stuff, especially their socket sets. I definitely try to buy all of my sockets and everything in a big kit like this because you end up saving so much money. And even if you don't carry the whole kit, you have what you need and more. Craftsman. They've got 2 sets on sale during this event, and it is in their VersaStack stuff, which is really cool. But again, they just come in these kits, which are really, really nice. You save a ton of money. For example, our kit that's $99 here, which is typically $220, which is an insane deal, by the way. If you need sockets, pick them up during Black Friday. Absolutely insane, but it's an $825 value. So you're going to get a ton of different pieces. It's got 39 of the 1/4 inch, 48 of the 3/8, and 11 of the 1/2 inch. So you're going to have just about everything you need for 3/8. And most of what you need for 1/4 inch. So your 1/2 inch stuff isn't going to be crazy, but it really depends on what you use, and you can pick up the little pieces that you actually need from there. But they also have the other kit, the 62-piece kit, on sale for $149. Typically, it's $249, and this one says it's a $950 value. So get the kits, especially if you don't have all of your sockets and stuff. And it's got 51 of the 1/4 inch, 58 of the 3/8, and then it's also got 16 of the 1/2 inch pieces, as well as 24 wrenches. So you're gonna have a complete 1/4 inch and a complete 3/8 kit in here for most of what most people use. So super sweet, and you can stack these. If you guys have seen the channel, you know I love Crescent's tape measures, Crescent Lufkin, whatever. But you can get this dual pack here for $29.98, which is incredible. They're the workhorse version. So I'll show you on the individual, but it just looks sweet. It's super easy to see. It's got writing on both sides, which is massively important. And then the hooks on these are phenomenal. You can see there's a ton of hookage up top and a ton of hookage down low. So whatever you're trying to hook, you're gonna get it with these. To get a 2-pack for $3 less than the single workhorse is just insane. Just want to have more tapes. Tapes, that's a good one. That's a good tape. Those are my favorite deals from Lowe's this Black Friday. There's going to be tagged in the YouTube shopping in the description, and you can check them out in store, you guys. Make sure you take advantage of these awesome deals. Remember, it's all for His glory, and I'll see you guys on the next one.